Okay, so in the IELTS preparation exam, my first question to you is, which TV programs do you prefer to watch?
Well, you see, in the TV programs, I prefer to watch AGT and America's Got Talent or BGT, Britain's Got Talent, and also there is the Payton and Kapil Sharma, so I would love to watch that.
When do you manage to get some time to watch TV?
Well, in my leisure time, like as I'm a student of college, so I have to go to the college for the 5 days of a week. So in the weekends, especially the Saturday, Sunday, I get the time to watch the TV shows.
Why do you think watching TV is good for you?
Well, you see, we got everything in our mobile phone, smartphone, but I would prefer TV rather than more than smartphone because it will help. It will not give you so much eye strain as the smartphone gives. So that's the main part. That's the benefit.
Okay, talking about music. Which kind of music do you prefer to listen to?
As an Indian, I prefer to listen to Indian classical music, R&B, that's rhythm and blues music, and also the rock music, the pop music, and hip hop music, and many other genres are there.
In your country, do they teach music in the schools?
In my country, they don't teach music in schools, but some of the schools which are affiliated to ICSE or CBSE board, they used to teach the students music. But in the Bengali families, the father teaches the sons as well as the daughters music, and they love to make them knowledgeable about music, and that's about the Indian family.
Why do you think music is important in life?
Music is very much important in our life because when you are feeling very much stress, it will give you refreshment, it will give you reduce your stress, it will reduce your stress, and so music is very much important for us.
Talk about book reading. Which kind of books do you prefer to read?
I would love to read books of William Shakespeare. I would love to read books of William Wordsworth and Arthur Conan Doyle. That's also William C.G. Porter. That's O. Henry. I would love to read their books.
Okay, now tell me, who is your favorite writer or writers?
Well, you see, my favorite writer is William Shakespeare, as I've read the books of William Shakespeare, the plays of William Shakespeare, so he's very much favorite for me.
When do you manage to get time for book reading?
Before going to bed, I managed to get the time for reading of my favorite writer.
What kind of indoor and outdoor activities or sports and games are going on in your country?
There are so much indoor games like chess, carrom, and table tennis is also there, and badminton is also there. So there are other indoor games in my country which is running now, and also the outdoor games. The famous outdoor games of my country is cricket, as well as soccer, and as well as the hockey. Those are the famous outdoor games of our country.
When do you get the time for playing these sports?
After returning from my college, I managed to get the time of playing some games like cricket, or if I will be in my home, then I will prefer to play carrom.
Okay, now just tell me, you were talking about indoor games and outdoor games, okay? So my question to you is, what is the difference between indoor games and outdoor games?
Well, you see, when we talk about indoor games, it will help to improve your mental health, mental strength, and when you talk about outdoor games, it will help your physical health. You can say physical strength, physical endurance, and that's the main difference between indoor games and outdoor games. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You have done well and you've spoken very nicely. I'm happy about that. And my dear friends, those who are watching me, sitting at home, just keep on watching my videos.